Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm so excited. This tutorial is actually part of a video blog hop. The first time I've done one. I'm very excited. And yeah, check out in the description, there is a list of my fellow demonstrators who have also joined in this blog hop. We are celebrating Celebration. So all of our projects will use a Celebration item, whether that be a stamp or some of the DSP. I've gone with the DSP and it is the Simply Marbleous. I absolutely love this. I was really surprised how true to life it looked. You know, there is this gorgeous marbled pattern, but then on the reverse, oh my goodness, I was absolutely blown away. It's just like silk, like satin, I don't know, but it was just exquisite. So many colours, so many effects. I was spoilt for choice, and so now I can't get this back in. I was spoilt for choice, so I did use a variety of the papers one way or another, and I teamed it up with this gorgeous little ladybug. So Hello Ladybug is the stamp and coordinating punch, which is just brilliant. As you can see, lots of fun had, and I'm hoping that you're spotting the wink of Stella on their wings too. Of course, I couldn't go without adding some bling, and these iridescent rhinestones are my ultimate favourite. They are just gorgeous. Look at them. Just gorgeous. So yeah, so I had to use those as well. So fairly simple box, perfect for a little treat, some chocolate, candles maybe, just about anything. But I love them. So I'm using Highland Heather today because that is the one colour that I haven't used so far. So let's go ahead and make it. So your piece of cardstock that you need is 7 by 9 inches. That's 18 by 22.5 centimetres. We're going to score the short side at 1/2 inch, 2.5, 4.5 and 6.5 inches, which in centimetres will be 1.5, 6.5, 11.5 and 16.5. We're then going to rotate and score the long side at 2, 4, 6 and 8 inches, and in centimetres that will be 5, 10, 15 and 20. Simples, simples. Okay, so we're going to fold and burnish all of these score lines. There's such pretty colours as well in this selection, truly are. And these are just a few of them because you can actually use other colours with them. They are listed on the back of the pack. So if I just pull this mess in again that I made, all of the lists of the colours are just here in the non-bold font. Okay, so once you've done your folding and burnishing, we need to do some cutting. So turning it sideways, it doesn't matter if this thinner section is left or right, it doesn't matter. And we are simply going to cut down each section here, all the way to that first score line. And then we're going to turn it round and repeat on the other. Okay. Then lying your piece back down, you want your thin section at the top. Okay, so you've got 4 equal squares here and then your thin section at the top. Starting at the bottom with these 2 squares here, we are simply going to cut them down just to a small size, and then we're going to cut some wedges in the sides to make them into a little tab. So we're going to repeat again with this one. Okay. The next one along we are leaving completely. So if you want, you can tuck one out of the way while you repeat that same procedure now with the next one. Okay, so again tuck this one in and repeat with this one. Okay, so far we should have this look. Okay, the next stage then is to completely cut away the top and the second piece. So you're left with just the single box and the thin strip in the centre. But keep hold of one of these squares. This is now the part of the lid here, so you want to cut very slim wedges off the sides, and I'm talking like maybe a millimetre. As you can see there, they're very thin strips, and that just allows you to have your lid fit tightly and not be loose. So then we need to add our DSP. So you need 5 squares of DSP that are 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 inches, or 4.5 by 4.5 centimetres. So you need one on the lid, and then one on the next square down. Then you need one on what I'm going to call either arm, so these bits that stretch out. I mean, if you want to add a square to the base, by all means, just, you know, it's your box, but I always think it's a little bit pointless. And then the last one goes just in there. I'm going to use my Seal Plus on these tabs. So again, pop in some adhesive on those, and then these are obviously just going to come up to this side and create your box. Okay, just give those a press, and then all you need to do then is, oh, I forgot to do my notching again. The little thumb notch there that makes it easier. I just simply used my heart punch, but it doesn't work when you've got your box built up because it's too big. But you basically tuck that in and use the arch there to create your box. If you still have one of the 3/4 inch punches, that's the ideal way of doing it. If, like me, you've messed up. Right, to decorate it then. So that square that we saved, I'm then going to come in with my Highland Heather ink, and I'm going with these beautiful wings for my ladybug, or ladybird as we say in the UK. Well loved, as you can see already. And then you want to just check your punch, because you want to put your card in this way so you can hold on to it. So when you stamp your leaves, your wings, you want to do it so that it makes life a little easier for you. So that's going in there. So I just want to line that up and punch that out. And then I have some basic black here to do my body, which always seems to get caught there. just check that. Always twists it. There we go. Okay, so that's my lovely ladybird punch. And then a little bit of adhesive on those wings that I then just lined up, and a couple of dimensionals. Pop him on the box, and don't forget that these Salybration items are free with qualifying orders. So you spend £45 or €60 and you will, wink of Stella, and you will then qualify for a free item, which is what this Marbleous DSP is. It is your free item. If you spend £90 or €120, then you're entitled to either 2 items or one of the higher valued items, which is just delightful. So hop on over to my blog only when you have checked out all of my fellow demonstrators' other projects and have a little look, because trust me, it's worth it. There is also a fabulous joining offer and a shopping stroke posting offer as well. So all the information is on my blog today, so if you want to pop over and have a look, then go and have a check, because trust me, it's worth it. Okay, so little sentiment there, cut out in, crumbs, stamped in memento, because I couldn't just leave it plain, I needed a sentiment. So just this tiny little sentiment. That's really hard to get adhesive on because it's so tiny. And then I just tucked it onto the corner and then added my favourite iridescent rhinestone. And no, I can't fit it that side, so pop it there. And that's it. That is all you need. And there you have it. I love those. They'd be really fun for party favours or for parties or for anything really. Aren't they cute? Thank you for joining me. Please go and have a look at my fellow demonstrators to see what they have done, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you all again soon. Bye.